Yes, someone was asking, is Bachelor of Banking and Finance marketable in Kenya? Can you get a job with this course? Can you employ yourself? How difficult is it to get a job when you hold a degree in this course? Now, Bachelor of Finance and Banking used to be very marketable, but the market is now saturated. It is very, very difficult to get a job with just a degree in banking and finance unless you scored first class and you get graduate trainee position. But joining the banking sector direct as a professional is very difficult. Now, there are so many people, there are millions of graduates looking for jobs like you. And for you to stand out, you have to do more than getting a degree in banking and finance. Now, what are you supposed to do in this case? Now tell me. So, the first step is to pursue a professional course which is in line with this undergraduate course. Of course, we have so many courses which people do in Kenya, professional, offered by CASNEP and other bodies. CPA is one of the common courses, but I'll not advise you to do CPA. Since you are in banking and finance, we are going to follow the route of finance. And in this case, one of the courses you can do while in college is ACCA or CIFA. CIFA is offered by CASNEF. So the good thing about CIFA is that it offers you opportunity and the skills needed and the knowledge needed for you to do CFA. So after completing your undergraduate, after graduation, you then do CFA. With CFA and the Bachelor of Banking and Finance, you'll automatically get a job. There are so many institutions that can employ you, both in Kenya and outside Kenya. CFA is recognized worldwide. So that is one of the courses you can pursue and stand out. No, out of 5 million graduates looking for jobs, standing out, it's not easy. You have to do a course which most people fear, and CFA is one of them. People don't want to do the course because they know it is very difficult and the pass rate is low. So you find that when a company is advertising to fill that vacancy for financial analyst, find that only 3 people are applying and you are one of them. So chances of getting employment is easy. But the first step is to ensure that you get at least second upper in your undergraduate. So from there, you do CIFA and then you do CFA. Apart from doing that, you don't go to school to get a job. You go to school to acquire skills. So when you are in school, with those skills you have, those connections, you'll be able to start a side hustle that will help you. There are so many online jobs you can do. Nowadays, it's not a must for you to be employed. So look for a side hustle while you are in college or outside college. Look for remote jobs that you can do. Start a business. And the problem with our Kenyan system, lecturers don't tell you the truth, that getting a job in Kenya is very difficult. So they keep on encouraging you, telling you the banking sector is booming, but they don't tell you that in the banking sector they use systems. Long time ago, we used to have about 20 tellers in any of the banks, 10 to 20. But if you visit any bank today, you find that only one or two tellers are available. Most of them use systems. People withdraw and deposit money using ATM or M-Pesa. They don't visit banks. So they use systems. So to get a job there is very difficult. Another thing is that with this banking and finance, if you go to the route of finance, you can do insurance, you can do real estate, so you can do even actual professional certification and become an actuary with that degree. You can also become an auditor if you don't know. Go and pursue certified internal auditor qualification and become an auditor. So banking and finance generally is very difficult for you to get a job with it if you only hold a degree. So if you scored something like A minus and above, instead of choosing Bachelor of Finance and Banking, choose a course like nursing, like pharmacy, like architecture, like quantity surveying, like mechanical engineering. Those ones are marketable. You can get a job with just a degree course. So banking and finance, you have to really work hard, and the mistake you can do is to finish banking and finance degree and go to pursue MBA so that you get a job. It is difficult. MBA, you're supposed to do it when you already have a job, or you do MBA, you go to PhD, you come to you you graduate to become a lecturer. So don't make that mistake. It will cost you.